Good day, this is Raben, and we're going to solve consumer and business loans problems involving outstanding balance. First example, Mr. Felipe borrowed money from a bank that offers an interest rate of 12% compounded monthly. His monthly amortization for 5 years is 11,122.22 pesos. How much is the outstanding balance after the 12 payments? Okay, so first we discuss the formula for outstanding balance. So the outstanding balance formula is from the present value of an annuity. So we are going to use the prospective method for this. So formula for outstanding balance, B sub K is equal to R 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative quantity N minus K all over I, where N is the number of payments and K is the number of payments made. For this example, our given are regular payments is 11,122.22. Then we have our J, our rate is 12% or 0.12. And our M, conversion period here is monthly. So we have M is equal to 12. And then our time or term is 5 years. So we have 5. Then our K, number of payments made, we have 12. Now we're going to solve for I is equal to J over M, where J is 0.12 divided by 12. We have 0.01. And then our N, or the total number of payments, is M times T. M is 12 times 5, so we have 60. We are going to find the outstanding balance after the 12 payments. For our solution, B of 12 equals to R. R is 11,122.22 times 1 minus 1 plus I is 0.01 raised to quantity N is 60 minus K, which is 12, all over our I is 0.01. So our outstanding balance after the 12 payment is 422,354.7318 pesos. Next example, Mr. and Mrs. Santos purchased a house and lot worth 4 million pesos. They paid a down payment of 800,000 pesos. They plan to amortize the loan of 3,200,000 pesos by paying monthly for 20 years. The interest rate is 12% convertible monthly. So we are to find how much is the monthly payment, what is the total interest to be paid, and what is the outstanding balance after the 51st payment. So the given here are P equals to the loan 3,200,000 pesos. Then our J is 12% or 0.12. Then we have our conversion period, M, monthly, so we have 12. Then we compute for I is J over M. J is 0.12 divided by 12 will give us 0.01. And then our N is M times T. By the way, T is 20 years. 20 years. So we have 12 times 20 will give us 240. So first, how much is the monthly payment? So the formula is R equals to P all over 1 minus 1 plus I raised to the negative n all over I. This is the formula for the regular payment of an annuity, simple annuity. We substitute the values P 3,200,000 divided by 1 minus 1 plus I is 0.01 raised to negative n. We have negative 240 all over 0.01. Our answer for letter A, the total monthly payment is 35,234.75627. For letter B, what is the total interest to be paid? First, we compute for the total payment. Total payment is equal to the number of payments times the regular payment. N is 240 multiplied by our R. This one is 35,234.75627. We were going to have 8,456,341.506. And then our formula for interest amount will be the total payment minus the principal. So our answer for letter B is 5,256,341.506. For letter C, what is the outstanding balance after the 51st payment? So our formula B50 is equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to the negative quantity n minus k all over I. Our answer is 2,991,477.317. Thank you for watching. Hope you have learned from this lesson. This is Sir Ben. I will see you on my next upload. Goodbye and God bless.